Alright friends, welcome back to Joy Shaving channel. How are all of you doing? I hope you're all well and keep up the good shape. So today got time for a quick shave. We'll demonstrate how to do a quick shave with a D razor and blade with foam. Um, before going to office. So just wash my face with cold water and I'm going to use the Gillette shaving foam today. Smells great. Applied some cold water on my face. I'm going to use this razor, which is a Gillette plastic razor, Gillette Permasharp. It's very similar to the Gillette 7 o'clock plastic razor. I have loaded a Wilkinson Sword blade in it. So we'll now just apply some foam. Smells good. Smells exactly like the Gillette classic shaving cream, the tube format. So although this is going to be a foam based shave, but I have washed my face with a moisturizing face wash. You can also apply pre-shave oil underneath the foam. Before applying foam, apply pre-shave oil. Create a protective layer, and that should also work for you. If you don't want to use brush and don't want to get into all that, you can use this way of non-traditional shaving. This should also work. Let's see. So I'll go with the pass. First pass with the grain, and yeah. A new Wilkinson Sword blade. About 2 days growth here. It's definitely a bit less stretchy as compared to the triple blade razors. And I have still some foam on my hand. If the need be, I apply it back. So first pass done. If you are okay with this shave, just apply some aftershave or moisturizing balm and you're done. But I'll do a second pass across the grain on my cheeks and with the grain on my neck, and I'll conclude the shave there. I'll take some more shaving foam. So as with respect to the feel and texture, it is same as the Orbit shaving foam or as any other shaving foam. Uh, its performance is almost same, but it has a nice fragrance. That's it. That's the only difference. What I felt across the growth. No need to push the razor into your skin. Since I have used cold water today, I know that it's not going to be very close and my expectations are set. However, I want this shave to be presentable. That's it. I'm not aiming any VBS or close shave. Yeah, I think this is fair enough for me. And we'll just apply some cold water again. I have very less time before I go to the office. No irritations as such. We'll apply my regular alum as an aftershave. And I'm done with the shave. We'll just check my sideburns a bit. Alright, great. So it's good that I was able to demonstrate a shave which can be done quickly with foam and safety razor. So is it necessary to use a 3 blade, 2 blade, 6 blade, 5 blade razor? No. A safety razor gives you a very good shave with foam. You just need to have a good prep. You can do it quickly. You can shave daily like this. I would suggest that instead of using shaving foam daily, use shaving cream, because shaving foam dries your skin a bit. So you need to be aware about that factor as well. So a good quick 2-1 pass shave, whatever, and it was good, presentable. I can go to any meetings, any of I don't go to any meetings now, and would be feeling confident and presentable in that meeting. So that's how you can do a quick 1 pass shave on an emergency basis. All right, ciao. Thank you very much for joining today. Please subscribe my channel. I need to run now. Bye.